Happy birthday to you, dear friend. It's your special day again. A time to celebrate and cheer. And wish you all the best this year. So let's raise a glass and sing a song for all the joy you brought along. May your life be filled with laughter and happiness that ever after. Happy birthday. We hope you have a birthday that's grand, filled with love. May your dreams come true today. So let's raise a glass and sing a song for all the joy you brought along. May your life be filled with laughter and happiness that ever after. Happy birthday.
Ayun, happy birthday nga pala kay Niso ko. Happy 16th birthday. Ayun, mag-enjoy ka sana. And ayun, mahahanap yung Prince Charming mo. And more blessing to come. I miss you. Ayun, thank you.
Happy birthday, Nanay Netsuko. More years to come. Enjoy your day. Mag-iingat ka lagi. Nandito lang ako pag kailangan mo ako. I miss you and I love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Shoutout nga pala dyan sa napakalapot, napaka-sexy, napakabait na si Ma'am Shi. Happy birthday sa'yo. More blessings to come.
Hi, Nesuko. Happy birthday from Team Pusa. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Shi. Team Pusa loves you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Shi. Team Pusa loves you.
Happy birthday, anak. I love you.
Grace Ann. Sino ba yan? Mabait ba yan? Sexy? Mabait? Or mabita? Pero alam nyo, siya yung taong napaka-down to earth. Siya yung taong madaling pakisamahan, madaling mahalin. Kaya alam nyo, maswerte kaming na mga paraluman yan kasi meron kaming mamshi. Meron kaming mamshi na laging nandyan, nagmamahal, at laging nakasuporta sa aming lahat. Kami ang grupo na binuo niya. Hindi dahil sa kung anong meron ang apps na Popo. Pagkos, nabuo kami dahil sa kanyang pagmamahal bilang isang pamilya. Kaya ngayong kaarawan mo, Ma'am Shi, nais kitang batiin ng maligayang kaarawan. Naway, papalain ka ng pong may kapal. Sana ipagkaloob niya lahat ng mga minimiti mo sa buhay. Sana ingatan ka lagi, gabayan ka lagi. Kasi deserve mo yan. Kasi napakabait mo. Napakabait mo bilang anak, bilang kapatid, at bilang kaibigan. Kaya Ma'am Shi, love you.
Ako na titilawan, kahong makarog-karog, ang kahong ikarna. Kahong makarog-karog, ang kahong ni
Everybody look to the left, everybody look to the right. Can you feel that? Yeah, we're playing with love tonight. It's
sa pagtatag natin. Nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako ba kaya ibigin mo? Kung mabuti na ang buko. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayo mangangarap ng nakaraan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Oh, papaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ay lagi sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. And I never thought and feel this way. As far as I'm concerned, I'm glad I got the chance to say that I do believe I love you. And if I should ever go away, well then close your eyes and try to feel the way we do today. And if you will remember, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for. For good times and bad times, I'll be on your side forevermore. That's what friends are for. God and love me, and now there is so much more I see. And so by the way, thank you. And then for the times when we're apart, well then close your eyes and know the words are coming from my heart. And then God remember.
Happy birthday to you.